In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your language on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've loaded up Snapchat, you want to go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji icon there at the top left. That will take you to this page, and then you can see a little settings gear at the top right. You want to go ahead and tap on that, and then you'll be on the settings page, and then you just want to scroll down a bit until you find the option that says language. Tap on language, and then you can go ahead and change the language to any language that you decide. Now, if you're on an iPhone and you click on language and then change, it's going to prompt you to go into the settings of your phone to go and change the language for Snapchat. Just follow that process. For an Android device, I just go ahead and tap on any language. So for example, if I tap on Dutch, it says the app will restart with your new language settings. I tap on change. And now if I go ahead and tap on my Bitmoji icon, you can see the language has now been changed to Dutch. So that is how you change your language on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.